Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. And if you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today we're gonna make Crab Imperial. I've been having the hankering for crab for a couple weeks now, so why not? So I'm gonna bring you down to the workstation and we'll get this party started. Okay, hold on for the ride. Can you see everything? Okay. In my bowl here, I have a pound of crab meat, and I'm using 2 of these containers, okay? And each container is 8 ounces, so there's 2 of them, so that's a pound. Okay, so, and I drained them. If they have water in them, drain them. There's also, you could buy them like in cans, like what tuna will come in, and drain those too. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of parsley, and I want to use this fresh parsley up that I have. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons. I love buying these little things. It's like a little cheap. I don't have to mince. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. And next, we're gonna make our sauce. Okay, we're gonna need, the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. I'm gonna start off with 1. So if I need more, then I can add it. It'd be kind of hard to subtract it. So I'm gonna fill up my little cup here. And you can use any mayonnaise that you like, homemade or store-bought. That's what I'm using. You could use the avocado kind. You can use Miracle Whip if you like that stuff. And yeah. And preheat your oven while you're doing this to 400 degrees. And we're going to bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes. So here's my cup. I'm going to put that in. Okay. And next, I need some celery seed. And that's what it looks like. Well, celery salt, I should say, not seed. And we are going to need 1 teaspoon So I'm going to sprinkle that all in. And I'm going to need a half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay. And I'm going to need 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon. Hopefully there's enough in this bottle. If not, we'll just fake it. Oh yeah, I think we're going to have plenty. And about a half. Guess turning it upside down kind of worked. Okay. Then we're going to need a tablespoon of worse than your sister sauce. Okay, I've had enough. Okay. That is awesome. And we're going to mix this all up, guys. This is a pretty simple little dish. It's something different that you can do with crab meat instead of just making your crab cakes. This already smells delish. Okay. Now, I'm going to pour the mixture in. And like I said, if I need the half a cup of mayonnaise, I will add it. And then we'll just mix this all together. I think 1 cup was plenty for this 1 pound of meat. It's perfect. Okay, let me clean up this mess and I'll be right back. Okay guys, next we're gonna put them in our little ramekins here. Usually you can put them like in a long boat, but I don't have those. So these are gonna work for now. So we're gonna fill them up and then we're gonna pop them in the oven, and I'm gonna put them on a cookie sheet. And let me get the cookie sheet because that's even better. So when we go to carry it to the oven, it's a lot easier. So I'm just gonna fill these up and get these going. This is perfect. It's perfect for enough for Farron and I. So if you are feeding the family and you don't catch your own crabs, then you can buy your crab meat. Okay. That's perfect. Scrape that all off. All right, guys, before I go and put these in the oven, I'm going to sprinkle some smoked paprika on them. You can use sweet if that's all you have, that's fine. And we're just going to dress these guys up. Okay, into the oven they go for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, these came out of the oven. And we're going to dress these guys up a little bit. And sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. They smell delicious. And I chopped up some chives. And there you have it, guys. Crab Imperial. This is what's for dinner tonight. What are you having? Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And while I do this little dish for you, something different for you to try with your crab meat, or even the store-bought crab meat. I don't know if it will work with the imitation crab. I've never tried that. So if you do, leave it down in the comments if you use the imitation crab and make Crab Imperial. I would love to know. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for hanging out with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.